In today's Vikram Legal video, we are sharing with you legal marketing automation with Outbound Engine, the kind of value that it adds, the ways in which you can benefit from this particular service. See, it's all about referral network, and how you as a legal professional can actually benefit from growing your client referral network because Outbound Engine does the work for you, identifying the best referral sources in your network and then helping you convert them into new leads. In that regard, Outbound Engine definitely offers immense value. Starting with the way in which any hot lead, let's say for instance, someone has written a review online. You get the heads up and advice on how to handle any review, be it good or bad, that does not matter. You'll be able to pursue it. Likewise, there may not be a hot lead, but a warm lead coming your way. That in that instance, what Outbound Engine does is it displays your most engaged contacts, the best candidates for writing reviews. And then likewise, if there is a referral coming in, when someone sends a referral, Outbound Engine lets you know that you can follow up immediately and of course thank your client. Amidst all of this, what we encourage you to do as a legal professional is to get a demo of Outbound Engine going. And for that, there's this very simplistic form where you fill up your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and of course, the fact that you're part of the legal industry, and you'll be good to go. We provided the direct link to this page in the description of this video. You simply click on that, get to this page, and you can review all of this and of course sign up for a demo with Outbound Engine with complete ease. Continuing forward, we want to share with you the kind of opinion, views that legal professionals have had about the service that Outbound Engine has to offer. Starting with Lee Davis, who's an attorney at Davis and Horse Attorneys at Law. What he says is that I would recommend Outbound Engine to other people in the legal industry who are interested in having high value content available to their clients on relevant information that's going to keep their firm being talked about. So, those are some really sound words about the kind of service, the kind of value that Outbound Engine has to offer. At the same time, there's this video. We definitely encourage you to please watch it and hear what he has to say about the kind of value that Outbound Engine offered. So many valuable points raised by him, especially when we talk about billable hours. If there's so much of time being spent by either your law firm, by yourself personally, versus Outbound Engine doing pretty much all of that lead generation for you when you focus on delivering the services that your clients seek from you. Obviously, time is saved, and of course, time is money. Let's continue. Again, that's again a very, very valid point. Today, people are searching on their smartphones, and as soon as you do not appear in the first few results on smartphone searches, you practically do not exist. So that's where Outbound Engine offers a lot of value. So there you saw that Outbound Engine, that's a real life example in terms of the kind of value that Outbound Engine already delivers to professionals in the legal industry. Continuing forward, see, nurturing customer relationships is central to not only the legal industry, but practically every other industry, moreover, or more so in the legal industry. And that's where Outbound Engine offers a lot of value, ensuring that you keep in touch with your past clients. So when they or someone they know needs an attorney, they don't search Google or Yelp or Avo anywhere else, and rather they immediately remember your name and call you directly. So that's a very, very big plus with Outbound Engine. Then talking about content and campaigns. See, Outbound Engine will engage, entertain, and inspire action with handcrafted content which is designed in a very personalized manner for your clients. What they do is they create and send email and social media campaigns for your business that brand you as an expert and keep your audience engaged. Going forward, they also grow your reputation and expand your network. How do they do that? They make it easy to get reviews from good clients to help build your online reputation. See, the more reviews that you have, that will in turn ensure that people are motivated from within that, okay, this is the right kind of attorney or law firm to go to. And for that, they work hard. You work hard to keep your customers happy. And they in turn work hard to ensure that you are rewarded for your own hard work. So ultimately, Outbound Engine makes it simple for your clients to share their glowing reviews with the world. Amidst all of this, there's often talk about legal compliance because, see, email solicitation is not something which is looked up to. Rather, in this instance, you have email newsletters, which are definitely not the same as email solicitations because solicitations per se require bar approval because they are intended to offer legal counsel. But Outbound Engine is not about that at all. Rather, what they do is that they create emails and social posts that are specifically designed to entertain and educate your contacts, keeping your name on their minds. So, and in that regard, in case you have any questions, you can always look up this link where you can learn how Outbound Engine keeps things compliant. Ultimately, you are automating your marketing to drive growth. Most marketing tools require your time and effort to learn and make them work. Writing, designing, sending, and tracking. Outbound Engine does all of that for you and leaves you with only the legal work that you need to do. Now, look at this graph. See, starting with the fact that Outbound Engine's team of experts creates the content, it customizes that same content for your business. Then it goes on to distributing that content very, very intelligently. Along the way, it encourages engagement. And then finally, it is generating and nurturing leads for you so that ultimately you have hot leads on which you get actionable insights. So, this is pretty much the entire process by which Outbound Engine works. As we mentioned, we encourage you to go in for the demo. We've shown you this video, we've shown you all the kind of value adds that Outbound Engine has to offer. Ultimately, in summation, we would say that when it comes to the legal industry, in any way, if you're a professional who's a part of that particular industry, Outbound Engine and its automated marketing services are things that you definitely cannot do without. So go ahead, make the most of it. The direct link, as we mentioned, is there in the description of this video. Beyond that, we would like to thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to Vikram Legal Eagle.